Top 5 free AI tools for students in 2025 that can help them do things fast and learn quickly. Number 5. Grammarly. Stop losing points on essays. Grammarly's free AI writing assistant catches errors, polishes your style, and even helps you cite sources in seconds. It's your secret weapon for better grades. Number 4. Tired of frantic note-taking? Our number 4 pick, Otter.ai, transcribes your lectures and meetings in real time. It automatically summarizes key points, so you can focus on listening and learning, not just writing. Number 3. Elicit.com. For research, say hello to Elicit. This AI research assistant finds, summarizes, and extracts key data from millions of academic papers, saving you hours of searching. It's perfect for literature reviews and research papers. Number 2. Stressed about presentations? Tool number 2, Slidesco, is a game changer. Just type in your topic and watch its AI instantly generate a stunning, customizable presentation. No design skills needed. Number 1, Google Gemini. And the top spot goes to Google Gemini, your ultimate study buddy. It's not just a chatbot, it's a powerful tool that can explain complex topics, help with brainstorming, and provide step-by-step solutions to your toughest questions, all for free.